What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. As we can see right here, Bitcoin has been doing very well. We could see from the daily time frame right here, we have broken out of this resistance, because also you could see from the weekly that we are very much we've been at a very critical resistance right here. So, and I've also made it known to us that we are most likely going to be finding a very critical resistance around here at 79,000. It's either we break out of 79,000, find support around 79,000, rally all the way into 85,000, or we end up getting rejected from there. And it seems, to the look of things right here, we have most likely broken out of this resistance right here. You could see we've broken out. All we need right now is probably a retest all the way down here at $79,160 before we could rally all the way into 84,000 or 83,800 level. Probably we break out and we'll continue rallying higher, or all the way from here we end up getting rejected and dumping even much lower. So I think this is definitely what we should have in mind. In terms of the other chart right here, you could see we are still in a very bear flag pattern. This is still a bear flag pattern. From the weekly time frame right here, you could see we are still testing major resistance from this bear flag pattern. So most especially, you could see clearly right here that the bear flag pattern right here, we haven't broken above it. Clearly we clearly haven't broken above this bear flag pattern. And with the look of things right here, maybe we are going to be breaking above it today, because with the look of things, it seems like we've already broken it. We are most likely going to be finding support, but the only time I will consider this a real breakout is once we are able to get a confirmation candle, you know, a confirmation candle on the 4 hours time frame for us to rally all the way into $87,000, because I think that's definitely where, yeah, 87,000 will be our next major resistance. So it seems like we've broken out of this bear flag pattern from the 4 hours time frame, because you could see clearly right here that we've retested this resistance so many times and gotten rejected. So right now it is different, and as you can see, this is definitely how things are. So if you're in a long position on Bitcoin, just try as much as you can to lock in some profit. If you're already in profit, just lock in more profit, so that just in case we start getting spikes to the downside due to the fact that the news right now is not as bullish as we expect. We could see right here Hormuz, regarding Hormuz, Iran will consider any American interference as a violation of the ceasefire said by the senior official. And you could also say that Trump says US to help some ships leave Hormuz starting Monday, which is today. Trump saying having every positive discussions with Iran. So hopefully this positive discussion will definitely we'll definitely get a feedback or an update from Iran to know if from their end it's definitely what is actually happening, rather than Trump just trying to make out some form of headline, or make some headlines about people thinking, oh, things are going well. So with the look of things, I think the stock market will definitely open positively. So, you know, majorly right now from Bitcoin, you could see before heading towards the stocks, we could see it's clearly right here that we have majorly broken a major resistance right here. So our next major resistance right now, you could see we didn't actually like retest this level at 77,300. If I should move this to the daily time frame right here, you could see we broke out of this resistance after we kind of found support around here at 75,100. So we haven't even found support around here before rallying all the way into $81,280 something dollars. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting moving forward. I'll definitely be here to keep each and every one of us updated. So yeah, looking at things right here, the indicators that I use to navigate where we currently are right now, you could see according to the Bitcoin USDT dominance, you could see it clearly that things are definitely going the way I want them to go, because I made it known to us that if we are most likely going to be getting a breakout from this level at 7.538%, we are most likely going to see risk on asset like Bitcoin or cryptocurrency or stocks dumping. But looking at things right here, you could see clearly right here that I made it known to that the moment we break below this major consolidation level right here, you could see the moment we break below this level right here, we are most likely going to be dumping even all the way down to 6.7 or 8%. So this is definitely very good for risk on assets. You could see right here the price of crude oil is still very much retesting, but we are still making lower lows right here, which is definitely something we want to see. So I think with the look of things, if the crude oil is able to retest this level at $102.60 and drop all the way down into 91 to $90.50, I think risk on assets will definitely rally massively. And last but not the least, looking at this S&P 500 right here, the S&P 500 is still very much elevated, still trading at the all-time high level, and it's kind of open. It has a pre-market that's kind of open bullish today, so I think everything is most likely going to be looking good, and we're most likely going to see the S&P 500 probably rallying all the way into $7,675 this year if we're not careful. So I think that is definitely all we need to know about Bitcoin. I'll definitely be able to keep each and every one of us up to date. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.